So this is the way I feel about things. Stop worrying about the evil and injustice of the world today and focus instead on the simple joys that everybody can find in their normal daily activity. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy yourselves.
Okay.
Bye.
Chuk, 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 chuk. They ate it all, it's all gone.
Check out my channel, guys. Give us a sub if you want to. I'm thinking of renaming the channel The Old Bloke on the Mountain That Doesn't Do Much, because that's what I seem to be at now. Stage of life I seem to be at. Don't seem to be achieving much, but just enjoying every day. See you guys. Bye.